Inflation is a significant concern for many investors and traders in the financial markets of today. Understanding how inflation can impact your investments is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Welcome to Traders Lessons, where we provide you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the complex world of trading. Inflation occurs when the general price level of goods and services rises, eroding the purchasing power of money. In 2023, inflation is expected to increase as economies recover from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The rise in inflation can be attributed to factors such as increased government spending and loose monetary policies. As a trader, it's important to understand the potential effects of inflation on different asset classes. Equities and real estate tend to perform well during inflationary periods, as their values can rise with increasing prices. On the other hand, fixed income securities like bonds may see their value diminish due to inflation. To protect your portfolio from inflation, consider diversifying your investments across multiple asset classes. Commodities like gold and silver can act as a hedge against inflation as their prices tend to rise during inflationary periods. Inflation can also impact the currency market, as central banks may adjust interest rates to control inflationary pressures. A stronger currency can help combat inflation, making it attractive for currency traders. As inflation rises, consumers may experience an increase in the cost of living, affecting their purchasing power. Businesses may also face higher costs, which can impact their profitability and ultimately affect stock prices. Central banks play a crucial role in managing inflation by implementing monetary policies like adjusting interest rates. Investors and traders should closely monitor economic indicators that provide insight into inflationary pressures. These indicators include the Consumer Price Index, CPI, Producer Price Index, PPI, and wage growth data. By staying informed about inflationary trends, you can position yourself to make more informed trading decisions. At Traders Lessons, we offer comprehensive courses and resources to help you understand and navigate the effects of inflation. Our experienced instructors provide valuable insights and strategies to help you adapt to changing market conditions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, our academy is here to support your trading journey. Join Traders Lessons today and gain the knowledge and skills you need to thrive in the dynamic world of trading. Don't let inflation catch you by surprise. Equip yourself with the tools to stay ahead in the markets.